Hello guys, in this video I will show you on how to use Dart comments. So we'll be using the Dartpad in this example. Okay, so let's try. So there are two ways on how to use the comments in Dart. One is the single line and another is the multi-line comments. So let's try first the single line comments. So to use the single line comments, all you need to do is put a forward slash. Okay, so type double forward slash. Then for example, this is a comment. Okay, then in this section, that comment will not be printed or displayed to our program. So let's try that. So print hello world. Then let's try to run our application by clicking the run button. So as you can see, this is a comment is not printed to our output. So now, let us try the multi-line. So to use the multi-line, for example, we'll be entering this one. This is a comment. So as you can see, this is a comment is multi-lines. Okay, so to use the multi-line comments, we'll be using the forward slash, then asterisk, then at the end of the comment, put asterisk slash. Then, as you can see, the print hello world is active and the rest is put into comments. So let's try that. So we have the same output. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.